Hello and welcome to OT Lessons Professional Online PowerPoint Masterclass. I'm very glad you decided to buy this masterclass and join us for this masterclass. Now, in this masterclass, you'll be learning all about PowerPoint, all the knowledge you need to know about PowerPoint in order for you to make beautiful but minimalistic PowerPoints to wow your audience or to give to your supervisor or your boss, and you will be complimented for it. So everything I will teach you in this masterclass, if you apply them in your real life, whether you work in an organization or you are a student, if you apply it wherever you are or whoever you are, wherever you work, I'm sure that these tips will help you be the best in the room when it comes to PowerPoint presentation or PowerPoint slides. So thank you so much for buying this course, and thank you so much for joining, and I can assure you you will not regret buying this course. Now let's go ahead and have a look at what you'll be learning in this masterclass. So let's have a look at what you'll be learning in this masterclass. So this is the slides that we have. This is what this masterclass is all going to be about. So we are assuming that we are an excursion group and we are doing a presentation or a slide to go and present to an audience to convince them to come for our services or to take us to lead them in a tour, right? So this is the slide that we'll be looking at. We'll be doing these slides from scratch to finish. We'll be doing it one by one, each and every one of these slides. So we have a total of 15 slides for this masterclass. So as you can see, then we have 1, 2, all the way up to 15. So these are the slides that we'll be doing in this masterclass. Now I'll be teaching you the basics, the alignment, the fonts, the text, how you do everything, and the basics of PowerPoint. I'll be teaching you all of that. Okay, so let's have an actual view of what the slides we are going to be building at the end of this masterclass, what they look like. So this is our introduction slide. We have Fun Excursion, that is the name of the organization, and our motto is your pleasure, our delight. Now you can change everything on the slide over here. Everything is editable. You can do anything or you can design it your own way, right? I'll be telling you in the subsequent videos how you can build a title page like this, very beautiful, very simple, and straight to the point. Now this is the first slide. Okay, so welcome, have a fun trip with Fun Excursion, right? And then you meet our team guides. Okay, these are our guide team. They will be guiding us in our tour, and then enjoy a trip, to historic buildings. We'll be building this slide as well. We're building this one. You can see how beautiful they look. The slides are beautiful, the images are high quality, the text are well aligned, and everything is on point. And this is what you'll be learning in this masterclass. So you create bookings choices easier with us, right? You can build a slide like this. Our team, right? You can make a slide like this. Because you decide to buy this course, you will learn how to build everything you see over here. So you'll be building every slide you can see over here from scratch to finish. I'll be teaching you. We'll be doing it one after the other, and you will not regret buying this masterclass. So you can see how everything looks very beautiful, everything is on point, and everything looks very attractive. Once you build a slide like this, I'm sure your boss or your supervisor will compliment you on a slide like this. So thank you for buying this course, and then as I see you in the next video and as you prepare to take this journey on today's masterclass, I welcome you on board. And my name is Samuel Kotuka, as I said, and I'll be your instructor. And thank you so much for joining me on this masterclass. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video.